Hello, I am going to share with you a lot of secrets about affiliate marketing that will benefit you in a long run. Now you will be thinking who I am. I have experience in affiliate marketing of more than 7 years and I have my own 11 websites. Once you create a website, you need to promote it as well. And I will be sharing with you how you can do it. I will be helping you in writing good articles, blog, so that the keywords of your website get on top Google search engine rankings. Once your website get promoted and become known, you will be getting a lot of opportunities like sponsorship links, and people will start approaching you to sponsor their products. And I am at present charging 5,000 to 10,000 for each sponsorship. In case you don't want to work on Amazon affiliate anymore, then you can sell your website and your website's value will be more than 30 times as per its earning. For example, you are earning 20,000 from your website, then you can easily sell it to 10 times or 20 times like 2 lakh or 4 lakh as per your ease. Also make money by sharing affiliate link on YouTube channel and Instagram. You can also create a YouTube channel. For example, I have a technology based YouTube channel and I am promoting affiliate links using my technology product. I am helping others. I am also making money out of my YouTube channel using affiliate links. But the main problem is that YouTube is getting very dominating, because like Technical Guruji, he already has expertise on his own niche and there are so many YouTubers now. It is important to look for some other options. Creating your own website is the best way which I can suggest you to earn money from affiliate marketing. People who are already into this business and have a good subscriber on YouTube may come over you, but you don't need to get disappointed. You do the same thing in a different way and then you will success surely. By time to time I create so many videos that help YouTubers and help them to scale their income. If you watch my previous channels, you can see so many troubleshootings videos wherein I have tried to solve so many queries of the viewers who just comment below in the description section. And if you have any query, just comment below. I will try to make video on it and try to resolve your query. Now talk about Instagram. So every social media site has its own phase. Earlier Facebook were doing great, and if you had earlier 2 years back 1,000 subscribers or 1,000 likes on Facebook, then you would be having great choices. But now it is not like that. In couple of years Instagram may or may not be that much influential, so you need to create your own website. The competition on Instagram is also growing because people knows they can make money out of it. And the worst part about Instagram is that there's only one place where you can add link, which is bio. Hence I will not suggest you to go for Instagram only. You can take it, but you should also try other channels as well. I would not recommend you to open your YouTube channel or go to Instagram or Facebook to make money. Instead, open your own niche and focus on it to make more income through affiliate marketing. Slowly and slowly you can also move to your social media platforms, but you should start from your website first and then you can scale to other channels. You can create your social media accounts using your website and then promote it, and eventually if your website grows, your social media channels will also grow, and then you can make money and put affiliate links on your social media channels. In my 7 years of journey, I can tell you that I have started with my own website first, and then I slowly move into other verticals and then made money out of it. In my upcoming video, I will be sharing with you a lot of new tutorials about niche research and then tell you how to scale your business using proper keywords. After doing niche research, you need to write articles and blog for your website, and I will be telling you how you can write qualitative articles that will work for your website and that will help you to generate good traffic. I will be telling you how to create Amazon affiliate account and use it to get ads and sell products of Amazon and then earn affiliate income. If you are new and you do not know how to create a website, then I will be telling you how to do it. You can use a simple CMS like WordPress, which is very easy. I have already created so many videos about WordPress in this YouTube channel. In case you want anything, just let me know, and I will be sharing more to it in my upcoming videos. And I will also be helping you to write articles to get your keywords rank on the top of the keywords. For example, if you want to sell guitar, then you need to target specific keywords for guitar, and I will be teaching you each and every step how to scale and how to find specific keywords that are more searched by people, so that you can get better organic traffic, which is more important in today's time. And your website will only be able to sell more affiliate products only when it gets good traffic, and you get traffic of potential customers. That I will help you with. In case you will be able to get good traffic to your website, just get in touch with me. I will tell you other ways as well how to make money from that website. Even I can collaborate with you and we can both earn good money. If you follow the guidelines which I am providing you properly, then you will surely be making money in few months, and that you can scale. You can increase your income from 0 to millions in few years of time. I started as a one-man army, but I now have a team of 10 people and we are working together on several projects and making good web traffic and affiliate income. It's like a tree. You just need to grow your website and then you can just eat its fruits. After when your website start getting good traffic, you just need to spend a few hours as per your convenient time in a week then to just maintain the website, and then you will be just going through the management part and making money for a long term. Now I will share with you few mistakes that people make. I have even made those mistakes. First mistake is lack of patience. It is not a get quick rich scheme and you will not start earning money from day one. So you have to be patient. Second mistake is lack of implementation. So many people watch my videos but only few implement it. Make sure you implement each and everything which I am telling you. The third mistake that people make is they become very greedy. They open multiple web channels, multiple websites and start working on them. I would not recommend that. I would recommend you to just make one website and concentrate on it. Once you are getting good result from that website, then you can eventually grow to several platforms. Stay in touch with me and subscribe my channel so that I can tell you more about digital marketing and other aspects that can help you to grow as an individual.